All right, everyone, here we are on location, and look at this scene. It is incredibly beautiful. You cannot make a bad image here, right? That's not right. The lighting here is harsh. We've got white light pushing up off the ground. We've got hard sunlight coming in. There's no open shade. And so we have to be able to use the tools in our toolbox to create that shot that we see in our head. So what's in my head right now? What am I seeing? What do I want to do? And so what I want to be able to do is use the sun as a hair light, as an edge light, and we're going to use the FJ400 to fill and push that light in. And we're going to do it a couple of different ways. We're going to use it bare bulb. We're going to push that light in hard edge light, and we're also going to diffuse that light with an octa, right? So that's what's in my head. But now let's go and make those images. But there's one more shot. So where we are located, once that sun sets behind the mountains, the sky turns a purplish, bluish, pink color, and you've got about 15 minutes. Guess what? My gear cannot get in the way of the shot. I've got to be ready to go. I've got one shot, cannot miss it. And so let's get to it. Let's make some great images. All right, guys, that is a wrap. What a day it has been. It's been an incredible day with so many challenges going on, which you're seeing behind the scenes. So let's kind of deconstruct what went on here. I knew in my head when I got to the scene what I wanted, but as the sun started setting, we were hoping for this pink sky actually in this direction behind the camera, and it just never materialized. So we had to move very quickly to get what you saw as this orange sky behind me. That is straight out of camera. That is not a Photoshop trick. And so it goes to show you that the light is a tool. It has to help you get the shot. It can never get in the way of the shot. And so that was something we did. Something else you'll notice here is it seemed at times we were pointing that light straight up in the sky. And that is a trick I use. It drives me nuts when I see a light spill all over the ground. For me, that's amateur hour. Sure, you can burn it down, but it's never going to look right. And so the trick there is to feather that light, and it almost looks like it's pointing straight in the sky. And the reason for that is that light is coming out of the modifier. No matter what modifier you got, it's coming out of that V, okay? And so what's gonna happen is it's gonna start hitting the ground, start spilling, and then you've got that hot spot all around you. To me, that's amateur hour. Feather that light back until it looks like it's pointing straight in the sky, and you'll see a nice even fall off of your couple or your subject all the way down to the feet. And so we created a lot of great shots today, dealt with a lot of challenges. So what was your favorite shot? Tell us below. Let us know which one you love the most.